Did you know that some of the most powerful antibiotics might be hiding right in your kitchen? Today, we're going to uncover the top 5 natural antibiotics that you probably already have at home and how to use them effectively. If you find this information helpful, please subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel, click the notification bell, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Let's get straight to these natural remedies that can help keep you healthy. First on the list is garlic. Garlic is a potent natural antibiotic and has been used for centuries to fight infections. It contains a compound called allicin, which has strong antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. To use garlic as an antibiotic, you can crush or chop a few cloves and let them sit for 10 minutes to activate the allicin. Then, add it to your meals, or take it raw if you can handle the strong taste. You can also make garlic oil by infusing crushed garlic in olive oil, which can be used to treat ear infections and other localized infections. Next up is honey, particularly raw honey or manuka honey. Honey has natural antibacterial properties and can be used to treat wounds and infections. The high sugar content and low pH of honey help inhibit the growth of bacteria. To use honey as an antibiotic, you can apply it directly to wounds or mix it with warm water and drink it to help soothe a sore throat or digestive issues. A spoonful of raw honey can also help boost your immune system and fight off infections. Ginger is another powerful natural antibiotic that you might have in your kitchen. Ginger has strong anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it effective against a variety of infections. To use ginger, you can make ginger tea by boiling fresh ginger slices in water for about 10 minutes. Drinking this tea can help with respiratory infections, nausea, and digestive issues. You can also add fresh ginger to your meals to boost their antibacterial benefits. Turmeric, known for its vibrant yellow color, is also a potent natural antibiotic. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. To use turmeric as an antibiotic, you can make a turmeric paste by mixing turmeric powder with water and applying it to wounds. You can also make a turmeric tea by boiling turmeric powder in water and adding a bit of black pepper to enhance absorption. Drinking this tea can help fight internal infections and reduce inflammation. Lastly, we have apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has strong antibacterial properties and can be used both internally and externally to fight infections. To use apple cider vinegar as an antibiotic, you can mix 1 to 2 tablespoons in a glass of water and drink it daily to boost your immune system and improve digestion. For external use, dilute apple cider vinegar with water and apply it to the skin to treat infections and soothe irritated skin. Incorporating these natural antibiotics into your daily routine can help you prevent and treat infections naturally. It's important to remember that while these natural remedies can be effective, they should not replace conventional medical treatments for serious infections. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or if your symptoms persist. Besides using these natural antibiotics, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial for preventing infections. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, staying hydrated, getting regular exercise, and ensuring adequate sleep can all help support your immune system and keep you healthy. In addition to these lifestyle practices, there are other natural remedies you can explore. For example, oregano oil is known for its strong antibacterial properties and can be taken as a supplement or used topically. Echinacea is another herb that can boost your immune system and help fight infections. Including these and other natural remedies in your health routine can provide additional support for your immune system. By understanding how to use these natural antibiotics effectively, you can take a proactive approach to your health and well-being. Experiment with different remedies to find what works best for you and your family. Remember that natural remedies can be a valuable part of your overall health strategy, complementing conventional treatments and helping you stay healthy naturally. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel, hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts or ask any questions.